Throughout history, art has been a powerful means of expressing identity, beliefs, and cultural values. Today, we dive into two fascinating artistic styles from ancient Eurasia, the animal style of the Sacs and the Polychrome style of the Huns. What makes these styles distinct, and what do they tell us about the societies that created them? The Sacs, a nomadic group inhabiting the steppes of Central Asia around the 1st millennium BC, are renowned for their intricate animal-style art. This style is characterized by dynamic depictions of animals such as deer, eagles, and felines. These artworks often symbolized power, spiritual beliefs, and the connection between humans and nature. Scholars argue that the recurring motifs of predator-prey relationships reflect the nomadic lifestyle and its challenges. One famous example is the Golden Warrior from the Issyk burial mound, adorned with animal motifs that emphasize the Sacs' belief in the protective power of these creatures. The Sacs' graves provide further insights into their culture. Many mummies were accompanied by vast amounts of ornately carved grave goods, crafted from pure gold. These artifacts depicted primal naturalistic battles between animals and monsters, mirroring the ornate tattoos on the mummies themselves. Clearly members of a ruling class, these individuals carried with them a visual narrative of an ancient primal time. Fast forward to the 4th century CE, and we encounter the Huns, a powerful confederation that left its mark on Eurasia. Their polychrome style is a stark contrast to the Sacs' animal style. The polychrome style represents a shift in priorities. While the Sacs emphasized movement and life, the Huns showcased wealth and power through elaborate designs. Their artifacts, often found in burial mounds, suggest strong connections to status and identity. Artifacts like the Huns' golden buckles, adorned with gemstones set into intricate patterns, demonstrate a style that was more static and ornamental than the Sacs' dynamic compositions. So, what are the key differences between these styles? The Sacs' animal style is narrative and symbolic, reflecting their spiritual beliefs and the challenges of nomadic life. In contrast, the polychrome style of the Huns emphasizes wealth, status, and geometric precision, signaling a shift toward hierarchical societies. These differences are not just artistic, but cultural, illustrating how societies evolve and express their values through art. Huns offers us a glimpse into their worlds, their beliefs, struggles, and triumphs. Whether it's the spiritual power of the Sacs' animal style or the opulence of the Huns' polychrome art, these artifacts continue to inspire and inform.